Hi guys, welcome back to Operation Exploration. Now, in the last episode we were over at the trading outpost for, was it FC something engineers, but on the way back to the Earth base I discovered this. It's the UDAL, and the trading outpost that we came from, there's there at the bottom, was it F something, I can't see that unknown signal on the way. But I found this, and what I didn't realise is that when you get discovered, that's usually where the trading outpost is, so I reckon there's one closer to the base. So we're going to pull up with this here and have an explore around. So we're going to park up on this here. Okay. Alright, so the good news is there is a port here beside us, so we're just going to connect up with this. It does look like a similar enough layout to the one that we were at in the last episode. So let's park up with this. There we are. Yet. Right, let's have a look. Seemed like a friendly faction. Okay. What's this? A vending machine. Oh, right, access denied. Let's have a look anyway. I reckon this place is using tower blocks similar to our base. No, for closing the doors. Here's some contracts. There's the store. Okay. So here's things that we can buy. So we can buy hydrogen. Med kits. Guns. A zone chip. What does that do? I really need to keep up with the stuff in this game. I'm not sure what each does. Now this here thing seems to be sort of the same. You know, like 6 pieces for gravity components, but is that the most? Uranium ingot. Oh yeah, because gravity components take uranium, don't they? Something like that. But yeah, no, that's good. So at least we know where that is. Let's go back up to the ground floor. Okay, so that's good to know. Let's mark this. So this is the UDAL trading station. Okay. So that's K. Let's go to GPS, and what we're doing is going to copy this and the color, and then new from current position. Paste this. Always showing HUD, and then this is the okay. There we are. So that's the UDAL trading station. Now, because of that, I'm very tempted to go back, I don't know what episode it was, and see where we had discovered a faction, because what I have noticed is whenever you fly above them, it says discovered faction, and I remember some of the early episodes in the game, it said the same, but we ignored it. Well, I ignored it. Where's the moon? There's the moon there. Okay, where do we need to go from here? I'm not too sure. If in doubt, we'll just fly up to the moon and then come back down, we'll know. The other thing as well is, I've just realised, is that because of that issue, you know, where we got out in the last episode and we got shot at, I think it's because we were the faction we were. I'm wondering if we did it now. See the way we've got the SPAL beacon? I think that's another outpost. I'm very close to the moon as well. So let's go over and have a look. There's quite a lot of neutral signals compared to the last time. So we'll go over here to this beacon and see. There's two, yeah, there's another SPAL beacon. Oh, So the stuff that we own did automatically transfer over. See the way there's the SMC pod. That pod. Alright, I thought you had to actually go over and move everything, so that's good. So everything you do own automatically transfers over. There's a lot of stuff here. There's SPAL beacon, STHI beacon. Let's go over to this one here first. I need to get prepared to go into reverse with this. I know we've done the same thing, we haven't put the remote block on this, but galactic excavators.
Meteor storm inbound.
Oh. Oh, they're moon based, are they? Oh, that one there's just loading in now. It's a bit of lag. Okay, let's go over to it and have a look. There's quite a lot of these beacons about. See, like moving fashion seems to do a lot. I just remembered the Earth easy starting base will be an enemy because it is FSTC. Okay, let's connect up with this and have a look inside. Okay. Is there anywhere to dock on the back of this? No. Oh, there is. Here we are. Let's dock up here. Okay. 8 and 2. Okay. Let's have a look. Let's see if we can get down. Okay, we can't use that. That's alright. Ah, here we are. Here's everything here. So we've got the contracts, the ATM. Account balance 58,000. Very, very good. The sun coming through a block there. It's a bit weird. Okay, here's the store. So it's similar to the one we just visited. And zone chip, yeah. And cell, I imagine is the same. Yeah. Uranium ingots. Okay. Alright, don't need to explore any more on that. Because I'm happy enough with that. Where is the... There's the GCEX. And the Space Pirates have a beacon as well. Although GCEX... Yeah, it looks to be like a... ground-based, and we're in the gravity of the moon, so we need to be careful as well. GCEX. Alright, let's connect up this, and we'll probably have to go around it. See if we can get somewhere. Ah, there's a dock there, but it's very close to the ground there, so it is. So I might have to just be careful with it. Yeah. There we are. There we are. Let's go this way. Ah, here we are. Okay, we've got the store on contracts. Let's check the store. Right, so there seems to be a slight difference in this one. Platinum. Cobalt. What is this? This is cell. Purple. Yeah, it's not that great. Compared to the other one where you were getting a lot more for stuff. Okay. Let's check the contracts. Search contract 33. What's the most? 108. 3 million. Acquisition contract. What's this? We have several buyers interested in products not currently available to us. Have these products and you will receive a sizable cut. Reputation award is 4 and we get 3 million for that. 53. We do have that. Let's do it. There's no time limit on it. Okay. Right. I don't think there was a time limit on it, was there? No, but let's quickly get going anyway. Okay, so where's that signal gone to? Deliver items here. Alright, okay. So we need uranium ingots and the rest of the stuff. So we're gonna go and collect that uranium over here. Let's go over and then come back. I know we said in the last episode we would concentrate more on the tank missions, but I would kind of want to do one of these here just to see. You never know, maybe we could buy a ship that could do what we want. You know, like one of some of the nice ships we've seen on the first trading outpost we came across. And dock. There we go, 8 and refill. And charge as well. Okay, so let's go to voyage and let's go to uranium. I think that's all we have, but we can collect more if needed with the wee ship and we can take it here. Uranium, let's actually make sure that the refineries are working on uranium. So that's let's put 10,000 in each, and 10,000 here. There we are. Let's get that dude first. So we'll work on all that. How else is everything? Yeah, let that work away. Okay, so let's take that back and see if it'll take what we need of. Maybe it'll say, oh no, you need no more or whatever, but nothing to worry about. Okay, let's deliver the items. There we are, we're docked. Now let's see if we can deliver the items. Ah, there we go. I was wondering how you done it. I've never done one of these before, like delivering stuff. Nice. Okay, let's check the ATM. Or the store, I should say. Oh, look at that. Very good. Yeah. Those power kits are 1,200 each. You get 8,345 pieces each. And very handy to have when you're running low on power. And then the cosmic coffee as well. I don't know what that does. Med kit. Let's get some of them. Click to consume. That'll come in handy when we're running low and stuff. Hold on. Oh, these are how many are left, isn't it? Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, right. Okay. That'll close itself. What's that? Alright. Well, sure. Let's get back in voyage. Right, so we know that all that's working, that's good. Oh. It helps if I turned on my thruster. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna do. Let me think about this. How much is left in our yeah, it actually didn't use that much. We still got a lot of uranium left. Let's go back to the moon base. There we go. And that's us. Okay, right. I'm gonna take a quick wee break on the game, the rover, and then I'll come back to it shortly. Let's just keep an eye on these panels just to see if they're, yeah, they are fully aligned, that's good. And let me check the batteries as well. Let's go in here and have a look. I think it was, last time I checked, it was 7 hours. Let's have a look, see how long's left for charging. There. Fully recharged in 3 hours, good. Nice. Okay. Let's go to our ATM. I still don't know what these here credits do. Like, do you use them with other factions, or do you give them? I don't know. It's really weird. There's the individual batteries on the back of that. That's okay. Right. Let's see. Right, we do want to go to Titan now. So let's get our thinking cap on here. I know we said in the last episode we would send up a huge reactor with lots of uranium and 20 batteries and a laser pointing back at us, but we need a dedicated communication base on the Earth, one with lots and lots of power. Probably put it on the ice. Yeah, I think we'll put it in an ice field that's connected to we'll put it in an ice field that's looking directly at Titan, and then we'll just set the base to gather up all the ice. We have loads of hydrogen engines that are keeping these batteries going. It might be overkill, might find out we just need like 5 batteries to connect with it, but lasers consume a serious amount of power. I have no idea how far away Titan is. It could be 25,000 kilometers, not sure. But the idea is, we can't set a GPS at it because we don't know where the coordinates are. We can't jump to it because we need the coordinates to get to it. So my idea is, the reason that we're sending this sort of test ship up is that we're actually effectively like throwing a device, at it. But when we get close enough, we set the coordinates and GPS, and then all we have to do is say, oh, it's 30,000 kilometers. So then we can work out, whatever speed we need to go to get to it. Jump drives, etc. But yeah, the longest part is going to be throwing something at it. So I think we should do that. We'll go back to the Earth base and we'll get that started. We'll make the base on an ice field or something, connected to our base through a laser antenna, and yeah, that'll keep things connected. It means having to build another relay station. Yeah, a couple of relay stations. So we'll just take the blueprints of the ones that we have. So yeah, let's get that sorted. So I'm gonna take a quick break and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so let's get back to Earth and let's get a start to the Titan mission. So we will keep the moon base going, tap resources. It is set to do a lot of parts, all the parts that's available, so that we can come up and, like, say, repair stuff if needed. But the thing is, the moon is in the opposite direction to where Titan is. Titan is over there, is that right? I think I'm looking at it the right perspective. I think that's Titan there. I'm just going to get close enough that this satellite will come up. We do need to get that antenna connected up. Where is that antenna? There it is. Right, okay, let's get that copied first, and then we'll connect up. So that's the laser antenna 1. Oh yeah, copy my coordinates, and we'll go back to the Earth base with this. Let me just check the inventory for voyage. wrench and make sure it's not got anything in it. That's alright, I don't mind if it's got no tools. The tools is nice to have in the event something happens. Missile container, that's okay. Right, let's get ready to go. On, and 7 and 8. Oh, I need to, there we are. Just turn on the builder to make sure nothing was broken. I think we're okay. I really do need to get, yeah, that timer block set up. Right, let me see. I think it's over here. There we go, we got the signals. And we got the satellite, that's good. So let's begin slowing down. Can we actually connect with it? We can connect with the satellite. Alright. And that's how you quickly stop. That's some piloting, so I must say so myself. Right, there's the base anyway, so we'll park this here up. And connect with the satellite. There it is, terminal. I can't, oh, I might have, it might be because this here has a beacon on it and not an antenna. Right, let's there we go. 8. There we go. Shift K. Let me see if we can. There we are. Let's go to laser antenna 2. Paste the coordinates. Oh, here we go. I had it turned off. Yay! Very good. Okay, so how much is it? Its current input is 1.89 megawatts. Alright, so let me check to see what the batteries are. I forgot to turn it on. That makes sense. I was starting to panic. I was like, why isn't that working? If in doubt, it's usually a user error. Fully depleted in 5 hours. It's a bit worrying, but I'm just going to take a guess that there's not enough sunlight hitting those panels. Well, at least I don't think so anyway. Yeah, it looks like some of them aren't on, or I'll not take any thing on that. Okay, so if that's the case, then we should be able to connect with the moon base. Can we see it? Yeah. Let's have a look. Can we see it? Hold on. So yeah, it's connected to the moon base. Satellite. Connected to, yeah, let me see, set that as permanent connection, okay. Range is infinite, yeah, that's okay. And if we do, right, Shift K, Control. Okay, that's that. Shift K. Where's the moon base? Alright, that's a bit weird. I'm looking in the right direction, am I? Oh, did I forget to turn the antenna on for the base? Ah, well. We'll not worry about that. Let's get Titan sorted. So, let's look for an ice field that is beside what we need. And I am going to travel out on foot and see if there is any. Trading station. I'm going to actually hide them, the trading station ones. And this one here. Actually, I'll leave that up in a minute. Yeah, let's actually rename that one, the base one. So that's gonna be actually exploration base. Earth. There we are. We'll set it as green as a friendly signal. There we go. Key. That's it. Okay. Right, let's have a look for an ice field. Primarily one that's in the direction of Titan. I think it might actually be better with the ship because it's very slow with the jetpack. That'll do. Let's get in. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, 7, and 8. Let's go this way. Much quicker than jetpack. So if there's an ice field out in this direction, I'd be happy. I think there is, I'm pretty sure there is one over here. It means we'll have to set up some points of relays or another satellite to connect with the ice base. Let's get up a bit higher. Alright, let's see what there is here. Okay, there's one there. Alright, let's see what we can see here. Ah, there we are. Good. Yeah, looks like a good spot. Yeah, let's build it here. Although, I want somewhere where you can see the alien planet as well. Obviously, that is the alien planet, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, I think here will do. Yeah, here we are. So we can connect to multiple planets if needed. So we've got that one. We've got that one there to the left. We've got that one. And that's pretty much it. That's all we need. Right. Right, the only thing is getting connected to here. So we do need to connect with line of sight with the main base. So we'll have to make some relay stations and then a huge base here with loads and loads of batteries, probably like 100 batteries in it. And loads of engines. Something like 100 engines. 20 hydrogen tanks. I don't know, this will be a huge power station. But I might actually put the power station, it would make sense to put the power station over here. The actual station itself. And then having various pipes going out to big drills that are out in the middle of this. Like, there's no point putting it out in the middle because underneath, like, if it's going to be a huge base, you're wasting all that ice. Whereas if you have it here and have big arms coming out to different platforms, it would make sense. Alright, so let me see. Yeah, we're gonna have to build like the base will come up right here, but there'll be an antenna looking at a relay station that's probably perched on that hill or that one, depending which one is looking at the base, so which one's got the best coverage of base. Or we could put it out in the middle of the ice and have huge pillars, you know, 4 pillars coming straight up, a bit like those scout towers. But they go on down into the ground, so we can drill on past. So like, for example, 4 pillars, but we remove 1 pillar, drill down until we hit stone, build it down, and continue for the other 4. So it'd be like kind of like an oil rig, if you imagine. Yeah, I do like the sound of that, like an oil rig looking base. Let's get all this stuff inside it. 100 batteries and 50 hydrogen tanks and 100 engines. And then 4 stacks 25. A load of O2H2 generators. 100 of them. Yeah, what we could do is we could put it off to the side here, you know, like a big rig here, and then we can have a bridge going out to land. Because that seems like the flattest part for getting them down. Because eventually we'll have a road system going between the bases and the relay stations, so we'll have on a road. And I think the road, yeah, the road can go here. Yeah. Let's build it here. So we'll just do a GPS point and new from current position, and we're gonna call this what would we call our power station? Power station. And we will do this one in pink. There we go. And let's stock up on some things in the voyage. Plates, interior plates. And we can build. So we will need a load of resources, but we'll have to go over and back. It's going to be a bit of a trip, but we'll get the whole skeleton done first. Whoa. Oh no. Oh no, we accidentally dropped a little miner. I actually didn't take that much damage. That didn't take that much damage. Yeah, no, that can be repairable. We'll pick that here, that there up. We do. Oh yeah, we have this, so we can actually build stuff. We're gonna have to repair that. Yeah, let's turn off the engines, but leave it on power so we can see it. Yeah, we'll come back to it. I didn't even mean to do that. I pressed P. Never press P. So if we build the relay station on this part here, will it be able to see the base? No, it won't. What about up here? We build it on the top of this mountain. Yeah. Oh, I think so. Let's get down to actual reasonable height. Yeah, I think it does. Let's go line of sight with it and see if it would. Like, just getting one relay station would be enough. I don't want to have to build like two. It'd be so nice if it will actually go up there. Yeah, that mountain. I just realised something. The moon base is actually supposed to be connected with the relay station. The one that we put up over here. But where has it gone to? Or was it this one? What happened to it? Why can't we see the relay station? Well, I need to have a look for this. There it is. What the? Why is it missing some blocks? Oh, did he get hit by an asteroid? I thought this thing was made out of heavy armor. Yeah, it was. Well, I think that's a telltale sign that I got hit by an asteroid. Yeah, it's taking damage as well. Right. Okay. That's gonna have to be rebuilt. How's batteries and all doing? Okay. Yeah, wind clearance per. They're actually supposed to be up higher than that. I think we need to rebuild. Oh, did we take a blueprint of it? Oh, we didn't take a blueprint of it. I'm gonna have to rebuild that. So there's 2 laser antennas, 2 dishes, 2 hinges, and a light on top. Why didn't I take a blueprint of that? They'll have to put up higher anyway. They have to put up like 10 blocks or something. Right, we're gonna have to let's mark this here, right? There we go. Let me see what the wind's like on those. Oh. Optimal. I know they're not needed, but I do like them on it. Gives it the look. Let's actually give them proper names. Alpha. And its output is 50. There we go, and then do a blink on it. Blink interval every. That'll do. I don't want to bother around with them settings anymore. Let me just check to see if the building is named the way it is. Relay Station 1, but let's go Alpha. Okay. And let's take a blueprint. Looking good. Yeah, let's take this back. Suppose we can actually start building the relay station now because we've got projection and we can just dig out whatever stone we need and stuff, resources to make. Yeah, let's actually do that. Oh well, though we need things like radio components and all. Yeah, actually let's top up in the base with the stuff we do need and we'll build that second relay station. Looking good. Okay, let's go. Actually, let's get landing gear fixed at the bottom of that as well. Okay, I can't remember which mountain it was. I think it might have been that one. But we'll see now. I just need to be careful with the speed because I just realised it's very hard to lift this. So we'll just go easy with the speed. But I'm almost certain it was this hill, so we'll go up to here instead. It would need to be about that tall. Could be. Nah, it's too little. Although I am very tempted to actually do that. Yeah, I'm very tempted to leave it here where it is and just build a big, huge, tall one. Yeah, I say we do it. No, we've not ran a metal grid, so not to worry. Okay, that's the top of the tower done. It is very, very tall. And there's the bottom there. But in reality, these towers do be fairly tall. So let's get them set up. That's going there. And that one there is going here. And then we'll have a range of flashing lights going around it at every interval or so. But we'll get it welded up first. There we go. Oh yeah, we didn't name the laser antennas properly. Let me see. This here's going to be that's going to be relay station RSB, laser LA1, RSB LA1. That's going to be range is going to be infinite. Range is also infinite, and this is going to be relay station RSB laser antenna 2. Good. See if we can get this fixed. It'll have to be taken back to the base and repaired. A lot of it stayed intact, which is good. But we will take it back for proper repair. The only thing it looks like it needs is a new connector on the back. The rest looks sound. And another thruster here. And the rest should be okay. Yeah, let's take it back first. Go. Okay, I should repair the rest of that. Looking good. And we do need another thrust on the back. Oh, forgot about these sci-fi ones. Maybe you'll switch for them instead. Okay, that's good to get connected back on. I'll do that in space. It's too dangerous to do it here because there's no atmospheric, of course. Yeah, we just need to build the. So let's say there's a relay station beta, and the power station's down there. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. Next episode we'll begin building the power station. Have a fair idea of what we're gonna do. And it might involve I thinking of putting a refinery in it and chipping away at the ground beside it. So we don't have to keep taking resources over and back, but for now we'll just keep it as ice. You know, for like doing repairs and stuff on itself. You know, if it's hit with asteroids, also it'll have to have guns and stuff, and I'm also thinking of doing the same on the relay stations, putting like a gun on just to stop them from getting hit, especially that big one. So I'll leave it there. That'll be in the next episode. So thanks again for watching. If you have any comments or any suggestions at all on how to make the series better, just leave them in the comments below, or visit the Discord channel that's linked in the description. If you do enjoy the content, do consider subscribing. I do upload regularly enough, maybe 2-3 times a week, sometimes more depending if I have a lot of footage, but yeah, videos will come out when they are ready. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.